Pinch drips are pressure compensating drippers available in colour-coded 2, 4 and 8 litre per hour flow rates. The design includes an anti-insect baffle, pre-filter and flushing at shutdown to minimise risks of blockage. This dripper has a turbulent labyrinth which is covered by a silicon diaphragm that flexes to compensate for varying inlet pressures. These pressure compensating products maintain a preset output, ensuring each plant gets the same amount of water. Pinch strips installed on sloping sites will output the same rate at different elevations. To install pinch strippers, first create a hole in your LDPE lateral using an Antelco key punch, pocket punch or punch and cut. Then simply push the pinch stripper into the hole. The ergonomically designed finger grips ensure easy finger-thumb installation. If you would like a bit of extra colour in your garden, you could also consider our dripettes. These products have all the functional features of the pinch strip. See our website for detailed technical and ordering information.